y'all, it's your girl TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. As y'all can see, I wanted to give y'all another look in my house because I'm always filming either in my office area or sometimes I may pop into my living room every now and then and film a video. So welcome to my dining room. So y'all, I am just so excited to be reviewing this wig. So as you can see from the title, this is going to be another review video on a headband wig, but I'm telling you, this wig is none like no other. I want to say that this is the best kinky straight, I was about to say kinky curly, kinky straight wig that I've ever received. Can we just get a moment? Because out of all the years that I've been on YouTube and out of all the companies that I have worked with, I have been wanting to work with RPGShow. So I'm just so excited to be bringing you this video. This wig that I received is going to be from RPGShow. This is a headband wig. Y'all know the headband wigs are trending, but I promise you, they are trending for a reason. You need to make sure if you don't have one, then you get one after this video. So as you can see, I'm going to pop up on the screen now what the actual package looked like when they sent it to me. I absolutely love the way that they actually packaged this hair. As you can see, they give you a cute little zipper bag that you can actually store your wig in, and that's something that I'm really big on because when you're not wearing these units, you want to make sure that you're storing them in a proper place. So this wig that I received is going to be their kinky straight wig. It is in the inch 18. The color that you see is the natural black color, and then in between the natural black they put some type of highlight colors inside of it. I would say it's between a 33 and then a 30. It just depends on where you move the hair, you'll see more of the highlights. I actually like it like this because to me it makes it more natural. There's not a lot of highlights flowing throughout the wig. The cap construction on the wig, as you can see, it comes with the actual standard combs. It comes with 3 combs in the front and then 1 in the back. It also comes with the elastic bands already attached to the side of the wig, just in case if the wig is fitting too snug, you can unloose them, or if you want it to fit a little tighter, you can go ahead and adjust the straps. This cap size is the number 2 on their website, so this fits a circumference of 22.5 to a 23 inch, and I am a 23 inch, so it fits perfect. Now, before I get into the styling of this wig, I'm just gonna go ahead and give you a quick overview of this hair. It's everything, y'all. This hair is so soft. I literally could just run my hands through it like it would just melt in my hands. It's so soft, no tangling, no shedding. Did not have a bad smell at all. I did not have to wash it. This is it straight out of the pack. And what I love so much about it is that you could tell that this is great quality hair. And not only is it great quality hair, you could tell that it was actually made properly and that they took their time when they make their wigs, because of the simple fact that even the length of the hair, it kind of has like a cut to it. So hold on, let me get close. Let me see if y'all can see. But you see, like if I was to move some of it from the back, see how when I move it from the back, you see how it has that cut to it? It's so perfect. It's perfect. I love it. I love it. So like I said, this is in the 18 inches. What I love so much about it is that it gives you that transition from the headband piece, the black hair from the headband piece all the way down to the strands of the hair, and then you have your peaks of highlights in between the hair. So yeah, I am absolutely loving this hair. I cannot wait to show you some of the styles that I come up with this hair. After you watch this video, I definitely think that this is going to be one of the ones that you want to choose. On their website, they do have other kinky straight wigs that you can choose from. If you are not that type of person that like color, you can definitely choose the natural black color as well. So I'm going to stop rambling. I'm going to put all of the information down in the description box. You already know. Continue to watch this video so you can see how I install this wig and how I style this wig, especially with the headband pieces that they gave me.